are wet. Help me, help me, help me.
Hooray, we got rain, everyone. Yay. When was the last time it rained?
50 years ago.
Feels so good. It's raining.
Mom, look at my hair. Take a picture. Mom, you can set your phone where Max is.
Hudson, look what your sister was doing.
What is all wet?
Yeah. All natural. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
It's cold. I'm changing after this.
Yeah, it's raining. Yay!
Guys, are you
We're
ready?
happy, Hudson.
Are you ready?
Whoa. Oh no! Oh no! It's the shower!
Let me do it.
Oh, it's so cold! Oh!
Let me do it. Let me do it.
Whoa.
Let me do it.
Oh, don't show that.
I did it. Dad, did you see me?
No.
I did it like this.
Mama, come here. He's wanting to know if you want to play with me.
Oh,
Mama, come here.
cold. Extra cold.
Mama, come here.
Be careful, it's slippery.
This is a good rain.
This is a really good
This is
rain.
awesome. We needed this so bad.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll take it. Got a whole family entering. This is life right here.
Every day last week.
Oh, really?
Erin was there. We wanted to go to the zoo or something. And it rained every day.
Really? Well,
Not all day.
but still, it hasn't rained at all here. Nothing.
Wait, no, jump over there. Oh no!
Dad splashes. These are huge. I didn't know it was supposed to rain. These are huge. Feels awesome. Oh, all right, wrapping things up. All right, it was fun. Come on, Tusker. Come on. Yeah, let's just go inside. We almost died. Ah. Where's Piper? All right. We almost died. That was great.